folks, Bob Holtacker here. Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz. Beautiful sunny day, which I'm not used to. I should have my sunglasses on today. This was a great trade-in, just came in. Beautiful car, low mileage. It's a 2019 Audi A7. Very rare. We don't see these too often. I don't know where they go. People don't seem to trade them in. It's 7 passengers, so it's very sought after. All the current safety features, the front brake assist system. The all-wheel drive on Audis is called Quattro. It's very nice. Continental tires. I don't see much in the way of any scratches or blemishes, anything like that. Let's open up here. Beautiful leather interior. You have the Bose sound system, which is an upgrade. Beautiful wood trim. The car has a little over 28,000 miles, so it's very, very new. Plenty of room in the car for your guests here in the back seat. They have their own temperature controls and ventilation. Very comfortable. Let's open up the back here, excuse me. Has winter mats already in. And you can't see them now. It has this nice pad, but you do have the third row seat down there. You can do 1 or 2. So adult size seats. It's not just for toddlers. This would compare to our GLS 450, to put it in Mercedes terms. Trailer hitch. If you're pulling anything, it's always best to have the factory installed trailer hitch and wiring harness. That's very, very good to have. Wheels look good, not scuffed. And again, this was owned by someone who traded this in for a brand new Mercedes, so they had the wherewithal to do the maintenance and take care of it. Take a look at the Carfax. The car really checks out. So I guess we're going to see you on Saturday. If you need me before then, 207-747-9714. Thank you. Bye-bye.